Welcome to Job Posting and Solutions, where every role meets its perfect match.
Private Limited, we are hiring Deputy Manager Supply Chain Department, Supply Chain Position 1. Plant location Kot Lakhpat, Lahore. Foot Pallet is seeking an experienced Deputy Manager Supply Chain for a unit at Kot Lakhpat, Lahore. The role includes managing procurement, stores, inventory, and finishing finished goods, warehousing, ensuring effective material planning, optimum stock levels, and smooth supply chain operations. So, role profile: what we are looking for in our next Deputy Manager Department Supply Chain qualification: bachelor's, master's in supply chain management or business administration or engineering or a relevant field. Experience: 5 to 7 years in procurement, store, warehousing, and supply chain management, preferably in footwear, shoes manufacturing. Location: 103M Qaid-e-Azam Industrial Estate, Kot Lakhpat, Lahore. Key responsibility: lead and manage the procurement team to ensure timely and cost-effective sourcing of materials, services, and supplies. Overseas stores and FG warehouse operations, ensuring inventory accuracy and effective cost control. Ensure uninterrupted material availability to support production and business requirement. Ensure compliance with company policy, procurement procedures, and audit requirement. Develop and maintain strong relationship with the vendors and negotiate favorable commercial terms. Monitor procurement budget, purchase planning, and supplier performance. Implement inventory optimization and cost reduction incentives. Prepare and present procurement and supply chain performance reports to management. So, how to apply? Share your updated resume with the subject line Deputy Manager Supply Chain. Email at this email hr@footpallet.cwr and WhatsApp at this number. So what you waiting for? Apply now and get a chance to be selected. And like, subscribe the channel, because your support will encourage us to bring more of these updates.